Hi guys, good afternoon. So today we are going to make the recipe for my chicken or turkey spices. So I've got the ingredients. I've got ginger, I've got some onion, and I've got some garlic, and I've got my blender. So I'm going to put all this in the blender. Right, so I'm going to put all this in the blender and then blend them. Make sure you cut them into pieces. I will use oil instead of water to blend my ingredients. You can add water to it as well, but I'm going to do that. And I've got my nketiketi. Okay. And I've got my thyme. Okay. Right, so I've blended it, not to be too smooth, because I need to put in my magie cube. I've got two different types. So right. And then blend it. And I've got my aroma. Just a tiny bit, you don't want too much. That's about 1 teaspoon. Right, so this is how you want it. You don't want it to be too smooth because it's for meat. Okay. So firstly, I've got my nice and washed and cut chicken. Don't forget your salt. Okay, don't forget your salt. You don't want plenty because you've got spices already in the marinade. So just like that. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Sorry. Okay. Make sure the spices go in on the chicken. Okay, and this I'm going to freeze it in the freezer, so anytime that I'm ready I'll just take it out, defrost it, either grill it, steam it, fry it, whatever your choice. Yeah. Okay, so I've got my bag here. I'm gonna go in. And voila. Okay, let me I have to wash my hand because I've got the next thing coming on. Okay, so the next thing I've got is the turkey. I'm going to put some aroma. Okay, how much? I've got some salt, not too much. I've got some thyme. Okay, and I'm going to use the same marinade for the turkey. And then now I'm going to mix it together. Okay, so I'm going to mix it together nicely. And then I'm going to freeze them as well, same way I've done the chicken. With this, you can take it out anytime you are ready, and then just defrost it, grill, roast some, fry some, you know, whatever you want to do with it, you can just do that. It will save you time, energy, and even money. Okay. Right, I'm gonna put them in zip bag. Unfortunately, I don't have small zip bags, so I'm gonna put them all together because I'm not going to use them anytime soon. So that way I'm saving time, I'm saving energy, you know, my energy, I mean. Right, so this one is all natural spices, basically nothing really chemical. The only thing I can say is chemical is the aroma, because the ingredient, you don't know the process and how much or what's in them. So yep. You know, with this bowl, it's actually a bowl, it's 2-in-1. It's a bowl and it's also a chopping board, and it's got this, you can just actually take it, bring it up, and then just when you wash it, it will drain. So you can get that from Temu, Amazon, anywhere that you want to. And last but not the least, I've got some tilapia. Who doesn't love tilapia? I do. So I've got my fish seasoning, as you can see. I've got some thyme. Yep, thyme. I've got my salt, and I'm gonna add some more aroma because I like mine nice and, you know, seasoned. So we'll add some. Okay, I've got some salt, not too much, because there is actually salt in this, and there is salt in the fish seasoning as well. So I've got some thyme. Yep. And then I've got my fish seasoning, which there's salt in it, as I mentioned. So you don't put too much, just enough to give it that nice yummy flavor, you know. And I've got my ginger, garlic, onion. I'm going to marinate it. Okay, see? Sorry, I don't have a big kitchen, so I live in a shared house, so basically there's not much space, so I just have to deal with what I've got at the moment, you know. Anyways, enough about that. So make sure you put the ginger, the spices, everything inside the girls in the stomach or wherever, you know. Make sure to give a nice and yummy flavor. You know, with tilapia, it has It's not, they taste nice, they are nice, but if you don't season it well, you get that fishy smell that you don't want, you know. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing now, making sure some of the spices go in, so that when I grill them or fry them, you know, there's enough spices so that it wouldn't lack any spices and it will be tasteless. You don't want that, you know. Okay, I'm almost done. I'm going to put it in a zip bag as well and put them in the freezer, because I'm not going to use them anytime soon as well. So in a few days time or in a few weeks time, that once I take it out and defrost them, the seasons are all in, you know. Let me go and wash my hands. Okay, so I've got a zip bag and I'm going to put them in. And I'm going to make sure all the spices and everything doesn't get thrown away. I don't like wasting. So pour it on top. And there you go. Right, so let me zip it. Make sure you keep the air out as well, because you get in the freezer and you want your freezer space to be spacious. You don't want it to take or overtake the space in the fridge or freezer. So okay, so now I've got my tilapia, I've got my turkey, and I've got my chicken that I've marinated, and I'm going to put them in the freezer. So guys, do this and trust me, your life will be more easier. If you're a busy mom, busy parent, you've got a busy schedule, work and blah blah blah, if you do this during the weekend when you have time, it saves you more time. You go to work, you come back, or before you go to work, you just take it out. By the time you come back, it's nice and defrosted. Then you make whatever you want to do with it. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Positive vibes only. I don't want any negativity around me. No negative comment on mine. If you think I've done something that's, or the ingredient that I use, it needs more spices, just bring your suggestion, guys, because two heads are better than one. Yeah, okay, so thank you guys so much, and ciao.